Right now, people are taking videos from the XiaoHongShu platform and reposting them onto TikTok, making an insane amount of money. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how these creators are doing this, plus a few extra tips to make your content fully monetizable. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how you'll be making money on TikTok. There's a program called the TikTok Creator Rewards Program, CRP, where you get paid for posting videos that are over 1 minute long. The payout is around $1 per 1,000 views you generate. To start earning, you need at least 10,000 followers. So, for example, if you get 10,000 views on a video, you'll earn $10. A million views? That's $1,000. And here's the best part, you can earn it from just one video. If you upload one video per day and get 1 million views on each, that could mean $30,000 in a month. Not bad, right? Now that we know how the money works, let's get into how to find content on XiaoHongShu. First, head over to the XiaoHongShu website. But hold up, you're not going to understand anything on there unless you speak Chinese. Don't worry though, here's the trick. Right-click on the page and select Translate into English. Now you can read everything. Once the page is translated, you can either scroll through the content organically or use the search bar. You don't even need to log in to use the site, so that's a bonus. To search for content, we need to translate what we want to look for into Chinese. For example, if I want to find dog videos, I'll type dog into Google Translate, copy it, and paste it into the XiaoHongShu search bar. As you can see, this pulls up a ton of videos with tens of thousands of likes. Let's pick one of these videos and download it using your favorite tool. Now that we've got our video, let's talk about how to make it viral on TikTok. The key is making these videos fully original. We'll take these downloaded videos and translate them into your preferred language so they can fit your TikTok audience. Before diving into the translation, let me introduce you to Wondershare Virbo, the AI-powered tool we'll be using today. Virbo offers 3 cool features: AI avatar, AI voice cloning, and AI video translator. The AI avatar lets you create a digital version of yourself to speak in any language, while the AI voice cloning feature replicates voices for perfect syncing. But today we'll focus on the AI video translator, which will help us translate our video into English seamlessly. Now, let's get to the magic of translating the video. First, sign up or log in to Wondershare Virbo. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and click on Video Translation. Upload your TikTok video from your device, then select the original language of the video. Let's say it's in Chinese. Next, choose English as the target language. For a polished result, be sure to enable the lip sync feature, which ensures the translated audio syncs perfectly with the video's mouth movements. Click Translate Video and let Virbo handle the rest. Let's view the final translation.
千万别随便给狗找老婆，不然家里每天都会上演杨贵妃和唐明皇的剧情。给我吃一口！
小红狗阿狸本来是给黑熊精找的老婆，结果一进屋就钻进伊万怀里不出来了。
伊万哥哥，你好香好软呀！
你走开，别勾引我，我心里只有鸡腿。嘿嘿嘿，小肉干我最爱。
包办婚姻不可取。
Don't randomly find a mate for your dog. Otherwise, you'll have a daily drama of young Guifei and Emperor Tang Minghuang at home. I'd rather have a bite of the little red dog. Ali was originally matched for the black bear spirit, but as soon as she entered the house, she snuggled into Ivan's arms and wouldn't come out. Ivan, brother, you smell so good and feel so soft. Get away from me, don't seduce me. My heart belongs to chicken legs.
Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok account yet, here's how to create one. Download the TikTok app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and click Sign Up. You'll have a few sign-up options like phone number, email, or using an existing account like Google or Instagram. Choose the one you prefer. Follow the prompts. And after setting up your profile with a cool username and profile picture, you're ready to post your content. And that's it. You've successfully translated your XiaoHongShu video into English and created your TikTok account, ready to start sharing your content with a wider audience. Thanks to powerful AI tools like Wondershare Virbo, growing your reach has never been easier. Make sure to explore all the fantastic features Virbo offers, including AI avatars and voice cloning, to take your content to the next level. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Good luck with your content creation, and I'll see you in the next one.